Hi, in this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 things to avoid when adding video into Descript. The first thing you should avoid is not adding a new scene where your video ends. Let me show you what I mean by that. So if you're adding any kind of video, it's going to have a natural timeline. Okay. So when you add the video in, just wait for it, and you're going to see a blue line. Okay. That blue line is right here. This indicates where this video ends. And right away, you should add a new scene. So right there. And then I'll add a second video here. I'll get a new one. So as you can see, there is no gaps in between one video to the next. A lot of people forget that. The other thing that they forget is to add transition animation between one scene and the other. It looks kind of unpolished the way it is. But to take it to the next level, all you have to do is you go to scene, transition, in will be the transition animation at the start of this video, and out will be the transition animation for the start of the second video, for the next video. All right, so let me go with cross zoom and out, go cross fade. And you can also do things like duration. If you want to make it a bit longer, you can go ahead and do that. I'm just going to exaggerate it and make it a little bit longer so you can see the transition animation, what I'm talking about. All right, so you should see, yep, that's cross zoom. And at the end, you should see the crossfade at the beginning of the next video. See? Crossfade. All right. So that's the second tip you should worry about. The third one is this is the bonus one. Is let's say you don't want to do this timeline thing because it's kind of a pain in the neck. All right, let me go ahead and delete this one here. All right, so let's say I want it to be this entire thing, but I don't want to have to add 2 videos or add 1 video, see where it ends, and add the other video. Just add an image. So what you can do is you go to stock, and let's say I want the image to cover this whole entire paragraph instead of playing around with the timeline. Just add an image, and there you go. It fills out the entire scene. All right, no need to worry about the timeline or anything like that. So that's a pro tip. And lastly, the final tip is if you're adding a video into the script and you're recording it, pay attention to this option. It's very important because when you click it, it has 3 options. It has record into script and record into new layer. What I suggest you do instead is to record as a new layer. Let me show you what I mean by that. Let's say I just was in a hurry and don't ask me how I know about this. And I'm going to go ahead and just pick some random Wikipedia. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and record. And then I'm going to talk into the mic. And then you're going to see the difference between what happens when I record into the script and what happens when I record as a new layer. All right, that's good enough. Okay, so right now it's adding the recorded video into the script. And if you're unlike, let's say it's over here, you might be able to delete it, but like if it's in the middle, see, it's messed up inside the script, and it's kind of a pain to take out. All right. So that's why for a cleaner look, I recommend just recording as a new layer. All right. And then from there, just adding the recording. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.